All right, we're gonna demonstrate a plank progression. So we wanna work on the form and technique on how to engage the core in a very beginner plank in the quadruped position, all the way through plank on knees to plank on toes. So let's review it all in one quick second, right? So we can get through the progression. So let's start in quadruped, Greg. So there's a hands and knees position, okay? Hands right underneath the shoulders, the knees right underneath the hips. We're gonna start with a pelvic tilt, find that neutral spine position, and lock that core in really tight, okay? So as we start training this, we just wanna make sure we hold and we breathe in this position. Once we get our breathing down and we keep that core really tight, we just wanna creep those hands forward. So creep the hands forward, and now shift the body forward. Good, hold there. Once we get there, creep the hands farther forward. Good, shift the body forward. Keep the butt up in the air and keep that core tight with that pelvic tilt. Good, right there, lock that in. Good, keep creeping the hands forward. A little more. Good, and now the body forward. Good. Right there, butt up, good, hold that. Okay, once we get comfortable in that position, we can graduate to elbows and knees. So come down on your elbows for me, Greg. Okay, really cue that butt to come way up, curl that pelvis in, and lock that core. Okay, and then always cue them to shift the body forward so we get those shoulders right above the elbows. All right, once we get comfortable in this position, then we pop up on the toes. There we go. Again, a lot of cueing from the clinician to get that butt way up, okay? And curl that tailbone in. There we go, so we really lock out that core. We also wanna make sure that we're not puffing out too much in the thoracic spine, okay? So relax those shoulders a little bit, and we really keep that core tight, okay? Pelvic tilt the other way. Other way, nope, other way. There you go, perfect. Keep that tight, sucked in. Elbows right underneath the shoulders, and the thoracic column is relaxed. Good, hold it as long as you can. And relax.